In this video, I'm going to walk you through how this Photoshop guide script actually works and what problems it solves in real design workflows. Instead of manually dragging rulers and calculating spacing, this script lets you generate a complete guide system automatically inside Photoshop. Here's what it can do. First, you can create custom spacing guides by simply entering values. The script instantly converts them into precise vertical and horizontal guides based on your document size. Second, it supports equal grid generation. You can define the number of columns and rows or set fixed widths and heights, and it will automatically calculate the rest for you. Third, margin control is built in. You can lock all 4 margins together or adjust them independently, and the script updates the guide system in real time. It also includes preset layout templates like rule of thirds, golden ratio, and center cross, so you don't need to build compositions from scratch. On top of that, you can save your own presets and reuse them across different projects, which makes it extremely efficient for recurring design tasks. Everything runs inside Photoshop, and the guides are generated instantly without breaking your workflow. If you deal with layouts, grids, or structured design systems, this script removes most of the repetitive setup work completely.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.